Here's why I believe you should consider an internship at Varghese Summersett. If you're someone who's planning on attending law school, or maybe you're a 1L or 2L in law school, or even a 3L in law school, I feel like there's very few places in the state of Texas or even in the country that's a better place to work and a better opportunity to work and learn more about the legal field and what it takes to be an attorney than becoming an intern at Varghese Summersett. There's several reasons why I believe this is the case. One of the big ones being just the culture that's here. It's very team-based and very collaborative. What that means is that you don't have to feel afraid to ask questions or even feel afraid to make a mistake because everyone is willing to help you. It's a very collaborative effort. You can go into any attorney's room and ask a question about a case or just even make some comments about the case and connect with them. The attorneys are looking for that. The interns are more than welcome to do it. You get a very good working relationship and you can make some very valuable connections. Some of the things that I find most valuable about being an intern at Varghese Summersett and some of the most attractive things are the flexible times and hours. It's one of those things where if you are trying to finish your senior year of college or you're a 1L or 2L in the busy schedule of law school, Varghese Summersett and the internship program is very flexible with that, as they want to help you succeed while at the firm, but also preparing your career to be an attorney as well. They're looking to set you up for success. Not only just help the firm in the short run, but also to set you up to be a great attorney, wherever you may go after that. They even keep a list of all the interns they've had before and where they are, and they stay in contact with them. It's a very great place to build a network, meet a lot of great people, and do quality work in a great work environment. Another great aspect of being an intern at Varghese Summersett is the availability to go to court and actually watch the attorneys in trial. That's one of the things personally I've taken away. The best experiences I've gotten is, I've worked on a case and I've done the DME summary for an attorney. And after that, I've gotten to go to court and actually watch the trial take place. So I kind of saw it come to life and also saw what it was like to prepare for a trial, to be in a trial, and how it works in the etiquette of the courtroom and, going through and preparing for that. It's been a great opportunity and very valuable experience that I know I will use for the rest of my legal career. If you want to become the best attorney you can be, it makes most sense to intern for the best firm there is. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, or you can visit us online at versestexas.com.